Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Legian area on Werkudara Street until to Double Six Beach on request. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on 22 November 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Werkudara Street until to Double Six Beach on request from my viewers few days ago. Okay, you see left side? There's the hotel and already open. This hotel we call AQVA and Seminyak Villa. Okay guys, we continue driving in Werkudara Street. If you see on the street, left side and right side, there is a lot of shop still closed because I update this area on 8:30. So that's why there's a lot of shop still closed. At the right side, there is a lot of shop still closed. And left side, there is elementary school. Oh yeah, there is a shop already open on the right side and some car parking there. I think there's car from the owner, this shop. And left side, there is Mango Hotel and already open. Okay guys, we continue driving in Werkudara Street. Yeah, so far in this area, around 8:30, still look very quiet. There is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. Maybe I make this video is too early, so that's why it's so quiet. But if you see the weather today, it's so beautiful. It's very clear. Oh, there is some taxi parking there. Yeah, that is good. And left side there is a restaurant and cafe. Yeah, there is so many taxi parking around here. And if you see the left side, there is bar and kitchen we call Jane, just exactly beside the hotel. Okay guys, from here if I turn left there is Padma Street, but I turn right to keep continue on Werkudara Street. And on left side there is a big hotel we call Jayakarta. And Jayakarta Hotel is very famous for local tourism and also for Australian. Yeah, this is Jayakarta Hotel. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Werkudara Street. Just beside Jayakarta Hotel, there is one big hotel we call Kumala Pantai. It's also very famous. Yeah, this is left side. It is Kumala Pantai Hotel. Okay, let's check the wall. Decoration is so beautiful with the dragon. This building style like in European, isn't it? So beautiful. You see the sign? Yeah, this is Kumala Pantai Hotel. And this hotel, Kumala Pantai, is already open. And this hotel exactly at the front Seminyak Beach. Okay, this is the entrance to go to Kumala Pantai Hotel. Yeah, but looks so quiet from here. Some shop right side, they are still closed. And actually one hostel, but also closed today. Yeah, it is very small street, isn't it? If I straight down, there is the way to go to Arjuna Street. But now, I will turn left to explore Double Six Beach. Yeah, it's like a shortcut from Werkudara Street to Double Six Beach. Yeah, now we reach 66 Beach. Okay, you see at the front? There is a restaurant from Kumala Pantai Hotel. And some people there, they have just breakfast. Yeah, there is some tourists there having breakfast. Actually, before the pandemic corona, this area is always busy. A lot of tourists from other country come to this hotel and have breakfast, because just exactly at the front there is 66 Beach. You see the beach? Actually, it's a beautiful beach. White sand, blue water, and blue sky. Yeah, but this morning, still not so many people. I think we come to this beach is too early. Yeah, this is 66 Beach in the morning. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the situation in Bali. And actually I'm really happy because today I see some tourists on the beach, on some tourists in the restaurant. Yeah, there is some restaurant is prepared to open because still in the morning. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Werkudara Street at 66 Beach. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.